Divorce shouldn't feel this overwhelming. Hello Divorce is the online platform that guides you through divorce with clarity. Whenever you need help, our team is there to support you every step of the way. Inside the portal, you get a personalized roadmap and simple tasks that walk you through the entire process so you always know what to do next. First, set up a free account to get access to all of our divorce resources and expert research. When you are ready, pick a plan. All of our plans include our proprietary software, which will deliver the exact forms you need for your state and county. Most plans include a dedicated forms specialist who will then prepare, file, and track your forms with the court. Wherever you are in the process, our knowledge base is packed with clear, practical articles and step-by-step guides. Everything is vetted by lawyers, mediators, and financial specialists, so you don't lose hours decoding legal jargon. And meet Hallie, our AI divorce assistant. Ask anything, anytime. Hallie gives you state-specific guidance, scripts, and next steps, all grounded in real legal expertise. It's like having a calm expert in your pocket. You also get free tools to help with the big decisions, like our real estate and home equity calculators, support resources, worksheets, and templates.
Hi, my name is Melissa Wheeler-Farrig. I am a family law mediator and litigator.
And when you want expert advice or things get contentious, we have the help you need. Mediators, lawyers, divorce coaches, and financial advisors are available by the hour to help you stay grounded and informed. Thousands of people have used Hello Divorce for a faster, more affordable, less stressful divorce, and their 5-star reviews say it better than we ever could. Get started at hellodivorce.com.